Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to change your blockchain account's password. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser and go to www.blockchain.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your blockchain account by entering its credentials. Once you're logged into your blockchain.com account, go to the top right hand corner and click on the human icon. From the expanded menu, click Security. Now, under Security, click on the Advanced tab from the top left. Right where you can see password, go and click on the change link right next to it, and you'll be able to change your password for your blockchain.com account. Go ahead and type in your current password in the first text box, and now type in the new password you would like to change to on the next. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon. While creating your password, make sure that your password is at least 8 characters long, contains at least an uppercase letter, lowercase letter, a number, and a symbol. If you don't create a password that matches the criteria, you won't be able to update or change your password for blockchain.com. On the next field where it says confirm password, retyping the password that you just created. Make sure both of the passwords in the new password text box and confirm password text box matches. Finally, click on the save button and you'll be able to change your password for your blockchain.com account. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the new password that you just updated to, and that is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.